we are going to visit Taiwan typical bakery and Taiwanese typical restaurant.
Hello, 早安，早安，早安。This place opened since 50 years ago, and they're selling traditional Taiwanese bread, cake, bakery, and 点心 dim sum. So this is with sesame seeds. This is 这个是什么？with the red bean. So this one Chinese burger with its regular flour. Okay, they have more than 15 plus kind of bakery to sell every day. This is typical Taiwanese bakery. So this is all kind of food you can find every place in Taiwan. Okay, this is traditional rice cake. Used to be steamed for 7 minutes. You put some ginger and vinegar with on top of the xiaolongbao. Normally you can take 2 bites, but I can do 1 in time, right? Let me try. Very juicy. Melted in the mouth. That's good.
This shop, the famous is this one, 油豆腐细粉, and this one, 酸梅汤. And one more thing is our Chiang Kai-shek's Madame Chiang Kai-shek's 红豆松糕. They have 红豆松糕 for very famous for Madame Chiang Kai-shek. There are a lot of things. Why we choose this and this only? Because this is very famous in this shop. You got it?
Juice. Look, you should try this.
You must try.
This is the best so
Otherwise,
far.
you will regret.
Wow.
Even you are in the Beijing.
We are going to typical Taiwanese restaurant called Auntie's Place restaurant, and she originally from other place moved here, so she continue cook her mom's recipe.
便宜又好吃啊，就这样讲。
Okay, yeah, all the students around here they enjoyed it very much because the price was very acceptable, and also it's a grandma's taste. She's been doing this recipe for over 20 years. This soya chicken legs, drumstick.
这个是卤排骨，卤排骨。
Pork chop. In same way.
这个是瓜仔肉，瓜仔肉这是绞肉。
Okay. This typical 卤肉饭。This
瓜仔肉饭。
瓜仔肉饭。
有那个台湾的瓜，腌的瓜。
Local Taiwanese cucumber with salt, with pork. The typical 卤肉饭 soya pork.
瓜仔。
Stinking tofu. This is the number 1 dish in Taiwan.
这个鸭血。
Oh, this duck blood. Also, it's good for hot pot.
笋丝。
This bamboo stick. Tofu bean curd. Thinking tofu with duck blood is number 1 hit. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy. So we're going to try this one later on, yeah? 这个好了, Yeah. And put the hot water to cook the noodles. Then put the duck blood.
对了，见啦。哎，这个销很大哎。猪肉豆而已是吧？好。
This is typical lunch for the Taiwanese cuisine. Alright, so this is the meat roll, the stuffing, right? So this is chicken feet without the bone, slightly spicy, pork liver, pork ear, and some stewed vegetable with dried fish. So now this is interesting part. Actually, I haven't ate stinking tofu in my whole life. I never have it because stinking tofu stinks. But I could have a good try because she used her mom old recipe. So I give a big bite. All right, let's see. It's need courage, right? Which is not that hot, not that stinks, but it's very rich in flavor. Next one, we'll try this chicken feet without the bone. Look this, they have chili here. Hopefully, not that spicy for me. It's good.
This is real Taiwanese food.